Mondragone is situated in the south of Italy, between Rome and Naples, and between two rivers, Carigliano and Volturno.
At the feet of Mount Petrino and different places, there are some thermal springs, sulphurous waters and wells.
Thermal springs are mainly in two different areas. Near Padula San Rocco at the foot of Mount Petrino and a place called Levagnole.
The Levagnole springs are hot, have a high level of salinity. They are considered of a very good level and compared to the waters of Baden and Aquisgrana.
Sulphurous water of Mondragone have an ancient tradition dating this to the Roman times, when the town was known as Sinuessa.
296 AC, the Romans founded the colony of Sinuessa. During Roman times, the reputation of these waters started to spread around. People came from various parts to try qualities of these thermal waters. In fact, the water possesses highly curative qualities suitable to cure sterility in women, according to Roman naturalist Pliny.
The colony of Sinuessa became very populated for the fertile soil and the sea trade and transport. In a short time, the wine production of Falerno, praised by Virgilio as the nectar of the gods, reached relevant results. The presence of sulphurous springs appears in works of Latin authors such as Tacito and Plinio. In the underground layers of the earth, at very high temperatures, the curative liquid is formed, which rises to the surface in form of vapor, generates curative natural resources. The secret is sulfur.
Mondragone is a small town at the Tyrrhenian coast and has a background by a small group of hills. The most important is Mount Petrino.
The local thermal water is very helpful for skin diseases treatment. Various diseases, asthma and respiratory problems and rheumatism. Only one author offers the use of these thermal waters, some baths, mud and inhalation treatment.